The Samsung Galaxy A18 5G is shaping up to be a strong mid-range contender that balances performance, features, and value for everyday users. It's expected to be powered by a modern 5G capable chipset paired with 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of internal storage, expandable via microSD, ensuring smooth performance for apps, multitasking, and light gaming. The phone should sport a 6.6-inch FHD Plus Super AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, delivering bright, vibrant colors and smooth scrolling for videos, games, and social media. On the camera side, the Galaxy A18 5G could include a 50MP main rear camera with optical image stabilization for sharper photos, alongside an ultra-wide sensor and a depth/macro lens to cover everyday shooting scenarios, while the 13MP front camera handles selfies and video calls with clarity. A 7,000 mAh battery, larger than typical for this class, would provide all-day and beyond usage on a single charge, supported by fast wired charging, so you spend less time plugged in. Connectivity features like 5G, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth, plus Samsung staples such as in-display fingerprint security and One UI on Android, round out a well-balanced smartphone that delivers solid specs and long battery life at a compelling price.